Let's go see the monkeys. Come on. Oh, that's not you, right? I.
Mommy, see the monkey?
Yeah, I see the monkey.
There's a squirrel monkey. What's that?
Oh.
It's the little bitty monkeys.
Not feed caged animals.
Look, would
That's
you
the
get?
kind that was an outbreak that had that disease and bit the guy and it killed everybody because everybody started trying to commit the disease.
Who? Like him?
It's so pretty. Okay.
That's the monkey that the guy stole from the Dallas Zoo. Two of
La
them.
carita que tiene la abuela, mira. Oh. Abuela said they're gonna pee. Oh. Love it. It looked like it'd be real. Look, they're over here. Acá están, look.
You know, we're walking around looking at them in the cage.
Look, I think this one has a baby. Look, babe. Tiene un baby. Yeah, we gotta get a baby.
Why don't you come around and let us see your baby?
This is a baby. Got a baby. Oh, look. There's
Maybe
more.
don't got babies. Maybe it's deformed and his legs are growing out of its eyes.
No lo enseña.
You gonna pay for the birds?
That's okay, you get used to it. So was there
Vente,
no
abuela.
paper towels down here? Are there not any? I didn't see any. Somebody got.
Ahora, mama. Oh, look, he's making his nest. Oh. Vete, abuela. Ah, dale. A ver, dale a esa. Oh. Look, my mom too, look. Tell her to get it down.
How?
Hey, get off of it. Oh, here. Andrew.
Go over there and try to get more to come to you.
Ya, quítale el palo. Vente.
Oh, hell.
Ya ni sé, nada más están tomando. Quieren agua. Oh my god. No, they're like, we want water.
No pumping involved.
Oh.
You want to just poop on me?
What the man? Mama, quieren agua, mira. Oh. Sí, quieren agua. What the mess?
I'm thinking leave it all. I'm probably gonna be abused.
They're drinking the water off my arm.
I guess it's not a good thing that you're really sweaty.
What?
What the heck?
What the? What? They think you water. Oh my god. They really think.
Go near the water, maybe they'll go that way.
Go stand over there for the water. They thirsty, baby. They want some water. I think they want water. That's why they keep drinking your sweat.
Look, go over there to your house.
Oh my god. This person is something. Mama, say take it.
I checked it on la bolsa.
Just put it in your pockets. And they're checking, make sure you don't finish agua.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You got a job to do?